Good afternoon and welcome to Casual Chef's Kitchen. I'm Chef Matthew. Actually, we're in my office. Welcome. I have the day off from cooking. I have cooked 2+ weeks straight without a day off. So, Robin is taking me out to dinner tonight. Where? I don't know. She's got something in mind. I hope. So today I'm going to be just doing some stuff here in the office, taking care of a few things for Casual Chef Kitchen. And tomorrow I actually added something to the holiday weekend menu. I will be doing biscuits and gravy for breakfast. Typically I don't make breakfast, but this one sounded really good and I love biscuits and gravy. And then tomorrow I'm going to fit in doing creme brulee, which I used to be really known for. I actually did it commercially. So I boozed the dust off the recipe and have all the goodies to do it. So look forward to that video and those photos. Should be good. For tomorrow night's dinner, I am doing prime rib. The same rub that I did a week or so ago. But I'm also doing a classic potatoes lyonnaise. I'm hopefully I got that said right. A nice little potato dish. It's French. And then I'm also doing my corn sauté. Super simple. So for Christmas Day dinner, I'm doing individual beef Wellingtons with some nice little filet mignons I picked up this morning. And I'm doing smashed potatoes. And I'm doing creamed spinach. Yum. So, I hope you have a great Saturday and eat great food and have fun cooking.